Headed to trial, the nurse charged in multiple sexual assault cases learns his fate as his accusers take the witness stand. A former Detroit nurse at the center of multiple lawsuits and criminal charges is heading to trial in 3 separate cases.
Yeah, the judge saying there is plenty of evidence against 47-year-old Wilfredo Figueroa-Berrios to bind him over to circuit court. Now, according to the prosecutor, 2 of the victims were sexually assaulted while patients at Sinai-Grace Hospital in August. The other allegedly happened in a porta potty in downtown. So Lauren Kostick joins us live right now. Lauren, you were there as some of the survivors took the stand today.
Yeah, that's right. You know, this is the first time we heard from these survivors today, many of them detailing just horrific and disturbing allegations against this former nurse and what he allegedly did to them inside the hospital, and also heated moments between the judge and the defense, with the defense really pushing back on a lot of this testimony. And I want you to take a look. This is video from inside the courtroom just a little bit ago. You can see Wilfredo Figueroa-Berrios appearing in a green jumpsuit next to his attorney, listening to hours of testimony from these 3 alleged victims. And we know the former Sinai-Grace nurse is facing multiple sexual assault charges in 3 cases where prosecutors say he preyed on vulnerable patients. The first 2 women coming into the hospital just 6 days apart last August, one accusing the defendant today of touching her inappropriately and pressing his private parts against her. The other claiming the defendant forced her to perform oral sex multiple times. And the last witness alleging the defendant tried to rape her in a porta potty downtown last May. Here's what one of them had to say on the stand today. Take a listen.
You testified that you saw his face on the news.
Well, I seen it on the internet.
Oh, you saw it on the internet. I apologize. And then, did you immediately recognize who he was?
Immediately.
Okay. And what did you do once you recognized who he was?
Well, I first called Sinai-Grace, but I wasn't getting any answer from them.
And of course, at the end, the judge sent all 3 of these cases to trial to circuit court. And as we have reported before, this former nurse, he's also facing several civil lawsuits. One of the attorneys today, Todd Flood, in the courtroom today. And we are told they are expecting more of these survivors to come forward and more lawsuits to be filed. For now, live in Detroit, Lauren Kostick, Local 4.